Hi guys, how you all doing today? Today we are cooking potato chicken curry sauce, and this meal, guys, you need to try this out. So stay put and watch this video to the end, and please don't forget to share, like, comment and follow this page. Okay, so these are all the ingredients I'll be using today. So this is cauliflower, pepper, yellow and red bell pepper. I'll be leaving the ingredients on the comment section. So I went ahead to wash my chicken. I'm supposed to use chicken breast for this recipe, but hey, I have to use what I have. So I washed the chicken properly with salt, added all the ingredients, the pepper and the rest of the spices. I set it on fire and allowed it to cook for some time before I went ahead to add my potatoes. So while my chicken and the potatoes were on fire, I went ahead and made the sauce. I added the oil on the pan, heated it up, added my onions, ginger and garlic, bay leaves, and the rest of the ingredients, guys. It's as simple as that. And finally I added cauliflower, then finally the potato and chicken. Also boiled rice to go with this. At this point, guys, the aroma coming from my kitchen is nose blinding. My children came around and were asking, "Mommy, is the food ready yet? We are hungry." I said, people should wait now, let me finish this food first. So guys, please enjoy, and please don't forget to drop your comments, like and share this video, please, and also do well to follow this page for more. Thank you so much. I will leave you guys to watch the rest of the video. Thank you.